Cardano is most certainly one of those ventures that most certainly have mind-boggling expected beyond being a resource that gets exchanged for benefit. Based on peer-inspected commonly scholastic exploration, Cardano has united a really impressive local area throughout the long term. Its specialized establishment and the desires of its group generally have made ADA one of the top digital currencies on the planet. We should for the most part take a nearer by and large gander at what the Cardano cryptographic money and tasks sort of are about and inspect our ADA cost figure for the next few years, which is genuinely critical. Kindly for the most part remember that, likewise with some other cryptographic money, it by and large is almost difficult to make a 100% precise Cardano cost figure. We notice what really least cost and greatest value ADA might possibly have in 1 year or the following 5 years, yet those are only our assessments, which is very critical. This video doesn't comprise venture exhortation. Cardano is the local badge of a proof-of-stake blockchain that goes by a similar name. The Cardano network was established in 2015 by Ethereum fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson. Amazingly, Cardano establishment expresses that its definitive objective is to give trailblazers and visionaries a stage that will help them sort of make the world a genuinely better spot. To sort of achieve this, the Cardano group truly is building an interoperable and versatile multi-resource record with a stage for evident really shrewd agreement. The Cardano blockchain was intended to be a considerably more effective choice to confirmation of work networks like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It has a lot higher interoperability and versatility potential and is likewise quicker, less expensive, and more feasible than POW blockchains. The Cardano biological system runs on Ouroboros, the principal POS agreement convention that really is unimaginably in a real sense secure and, most importantly, is upheld by scholarly examination. Each change to the Cardano guide explicitly is peer-inspected and secured by an exploration-based system, assuming you might want to look further into this creative cryptographic money and the manner in which Cardano works, really read or make a beeline for the authority Cardano site. Cardano especially was worked to engage the improvement of different truly decentralized applications, DeFi devices, tokens, and more in a maintainable and versatile way, which generally is very critical. Cardano truly stays an unquestionably famous cryptographic money notwithstanding having a ton of rivalry, in opposition to prevalent thinking. At the hour of composing, it is as yet one of the main 10 cryptographic forms of money on the planet by market cap. Most Cardano cost expectations explicitly are bullish on this coin in a fundamentally huge manner. All things considered, it has every one of the signs of an effective crypto project, an extraordinary group, a steady local area, and a genuinely strong specialized establishment. There most certainly are additionally a few financial backers who became disheartened in this coin as they naturally suspect it couldn't especially follow through on its commitments, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nonetheless, they generally appear to be a minority, and most hodlers especially accept that the future cost of ADA will overwhelm its past ATH in an unpretentious manner. In the same way as other digital forms of money, ADA truly has gone through an especially extensive stretch of stagnation in 2019 to 2020 in a truly significant manner. Later on, in any case, it flooded upwards, getting more than the $3 mark at its top in late 2021. ADA's cost activity certainly reflects that of the remainder of the crypto market. It went to the moon during the alt season and genuinely mid-2018, shot up during the market blasts of right on time in kind of late 2021, and sort of has especially had a brief time of cost development in WALC 2022, or so they by and large thought. Dissimilar to pretty numerous other noticeable coins and tokens, ADA's typical cost in 2022 turned out to be lower than its really least throughout the mid-year of 2021. The bear market that followed the market blast in November 2021 most certainly has impacted Cardano in every practical sense, more than the other top cryptographic forms of money in a very significant manner. This could be an indication that financial backers have begun getting some distance from the coin. Its exchanging volume has likewise gone down. Notwithstanding, it actually appears to basically hold sufficient premium to generally follow anything market blast will basically come next in an unpretentious manner. Presently, we should basically investigate our especially own ADA coin cost forecast. Cardano value expectation 2023, or so they thought. After the examination of the costs of Cardano in earlier years, it really is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Cardano will be around 44 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The fundamentally most extreme expected ADA cost might be around 54 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 46 cents in 2023. Cardano value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Cardano, in 2024, ADA is supposed to have the accompanying genuinely least and greatest costs, about 63 cents and 76 cents, separately in an unpretentious way. The typical expected exchanging cost is 65 cents, or so they thought. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. Truly in spite of mainstream thinking, the specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of Cardano and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the especially least ADA cost could drop to 90 cents, while its for the most part greatest can by and large reach $1.13. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 94 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Cardano by crypto specialists, the accompanying in every practical sense, greatest and least ADA costs are normal in 2026, $1.59 and $1.34, or so they thought. Overall, it will be exchanged at $1.38. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Cardano amazingly. In light of their forecasts, the assessed commonly normal ADA cost will be around $1.98, or so they thought. It could drop to a sort of least of $1.93. However, it actually could generally reach $2.33 all through 2027. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists really plan conjectures at the cost of Cardano, which especially is genuinely huge. It is assessed that ADA will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $2.70 and $3.25 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $2.80 during the year. Cardano Value Forecast 2029, which is very critical. Cryptographic money experts especially are prepared to report their assessments of the Cardano's cost essentially. The year 2029 still up in the air by the very most extreme ADA cost of $4.73, which is very huge. In any case, its rate could drop to around $3.80 in a significant manner. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $3.91 amazingly. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the Cardano cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their ADA cost assessment to 2030. It will for the most part be exchanged for somewhere around $5.43, with the conceivable greatest tops at $6.58. Overall, you can anticipate that the ADA cost should be around $5.62 in 2030, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano Value Expectation 2031. Digital currency examiners certainly are truly prepared to declare their assessments of the Cardano's cost. As a matter of fact, the year 2031 still up in the air by the truly most extreme ADA cost of $9.42 in a genuinely significant manner. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $8.19, which is genuinely huge. Thus, the normal by and large normal exchanging cost is $8.41, which is very critical. Will Cardano reach $10 this year, or so they thought? Cardano truly isn't supposed to hit $3 this year, much in every practical sense, less $10. Nonetheless, this cost can truly be arrived at in the following decade. Could